Here's how I would treat PCOS naturally. I'm Dr. Matt Jones, and if I were treating polycystic ovary syndrome in a patient who wanted to take a more natural route, here's what I would do. This condition affects millions of women worldwide and is one of the leading causes of hormonal imbalance and infertility. But while PCOS can feel overwhelming, the good news is that there are natural, science-backed ways to manage its symptoms effectively. We're going to explore three powerful supplements: inositol and its isomers, alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA, and berberine. These have shown to have remarkable benefits in women with PCOS. PCOS is a hormonal condition characterized by symptoms like irregular periods, insulin resistance, acne, weight gain, and excess androgen levels, which can lead to hair thinning and growth in unwanted areas. At its core, PCOS is often linked to insulin resistance, which can disrupt ovulation and hormone balance. That's why addressing insulin sensitivity is a key component in managing PCOS naturally. Let's start with inositol, one of the most well-researched supplements for PCOS. Inositol is a naturally occurring sugar alcohol that works as a messenger in your body. None of that really matters for you to memorize, don't worry about that, but it plays a crucial role in insulin signaling and ovarian function. It's especially helpful for women with PCOS who are dealing with insulin resistance and irregular cycles. There's two forms of inositol that you need to know about: myo-inositol and D-chiro-inositol. Research shows that the optimal ratio for treating PCOS is a 40-to-1 myo-inositol to D-chiro-inositol ratio. This ratio mimics the natural balance found in the body and has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce testosterone levels, and restore ovulation. To make this a little bit simpler for you, you're going to be looking for a supplement that's going to have somewhere around the ratio of 2,000 milligrams of myo-inositol and 50 of D-chiro-inositol. So, studies have shown that inositol supplementation can increase the chances of regular ovulation and improve fertility outcomes, as well as many more positive effects on PCOS. If you're looking for high-quality inositol supplements, make sure it has the 40-to-1 ratio and contains both myo-inositol and D-chiro-inositol in the clinically supported doses. Next up, ALA, alpha-lipoic acid. This is a powerful antioxidant that has gained a lot of attention recently for its role in improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation. Two major issues in PCOS. You're going to hear me talk about these a lot. Of course, alpha-lipoic acid is used in a whole host of other things, a lot with nerve stuff, but it's been found to be very, very helpful for its remarkable antioxidant effects. I think that's a big driving factor of its benefits. ALA works to enhance the body's ability to use glucose effectively, which helps to lower blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance. It also supports mitochondrial function, which can improve energy levels and metabolic health in general. Studies have shown that combining ALA with inositol can produce even better results for women with PCOS. They appear to have a synergistic effect. In fact, most of the studies, they were done together. Together, these supplements can significantly improve hormonal balance, reduce oxidative stress, and support weight management. Again, I would use these together. Most of the studies done on alpha-lipoic acid, they were done with inositol on board, and they seem to have a beneficial synergistic effect that drove better outcomes. If you're considering LA, look for a dose around 300 to 600 milligrams per day. This was the most commonly used dose in the clinical studies for metabolic benefits. Next, berberine, aka nature's metformin. This is a natural compound found in the barberry or golden seal plants. Berberine is often referred to as nature's metformin because of its impressive ability to regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. It's not that it's like the same compound as metformin, it just has a similar effect as that drug, and that's why we call it nature's metformin. It also, interestingly enough, has a similar side effect profile. But for women with PCOS, berberine can be a game changer. Research shows that berberine not only reduces insulin resistance, but also helps improve lipid profiles and support weight loss. It may also directly influence ovarian function, which would help regulate menstrual cycles and improve fertility. It's interesting. This is the main one that actually can have direct effects on hormonal balance versus through more downstream effects like improving insulin sensitivities, which it also does. That's why berberine is being studied very heavily for being effective in PCOS. The typical dose of berberine for PCOS is 500 milligrams taken 2 to 3 times daily with meals. It's important to take it with food because this can help reduce the risk of GI side effects like diarrhea, which again is very similar to metformin, so That's interesting, to be honest. Okay, so we need to talk about lifestyle strategies for PCOS management. Supplements are very powerful, but they work best when paired with the right lifestyle changes. So, here are a few strategies to support your PCOS management. Number one, prioritize a low glycemic diet. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like vegetables, quality proteins, healthy fats, and low glycemic carbs to stabilize blood sugar levels. Incorporate strength training and cardio. Exercise improves insulin sensitivity and helps regulate hormones. I can make a whole long video of this and I will in the future. But for now, get moving, stay moving. It is incredible for you, well beyond the benefits of PCOS, but it can help. Third, manage stress. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which can worsen PCOS symptoms and the rest of your hormonal cascade. Practices like yoga, meditation, deep breathing, or whatever hobby you have that relaxes you can make a huge difference. Find something you love that's calming and just do it daily. Fourth, get enough sleep. Poor sleep disrupts insulin regulation and hormone balance, as well as just all of your functions in general. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality rest per night. If you don't know how to get quality sleep, I highly recommend you check out my other video on this. I can almost assure you that you'll learn something about how to improve your sleep there. Don't worry, I'll link it at the end of the video for you. But it's a really good watch, it's quick, efficient, and I can assure you that you can learn something there that will help you drastically. So, overall, I know that managing PCOS naturally can feel challenging. There was a lot of information in this video. But with the right combination of supplements and lifestyle changes, you can regain control of your health and feel your best again. Inositol, ALA, and Berberine are incredible tools to support hormonal balance, improve insulin sensitivity, and address the root causes of PCOS. If you are ready to take the next step and you don't know where to get help, I would love to help you create a personalized plan for you that works for your unique needs. Reach out for a consultation. Let's work together and help achieve your health goals. It's what I'm here for. I can help you on a more one-on-one basis if you'd like. I want you to feel your best, look your best, and be your absolute best self. Now, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share it with someone who might find benefit. There are a lot of women out there suffering from PCOS, and I know that you might know some. Share this with them. I think it could help them a lot. And don't forget to subscribe. There's a whole lot of actionable tips on health and wellness on this channel. I love what I do, and it's really fun to educate you. Hit the little notification bell as well. I think that's what people do here. But it will be really helpful, and you're going to learn a lot. So, until next time, take care and stay healthy.